Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is analogy. It's a fascinating C1 level noun that means a comparison used to explain something by showing how it is similar to something else. Let's break it down a little. An analogy helps us understand complex ideas by relating them to something familiar. For example, when we say, life is like a journey, we're using an analogy to explain that life has ups, downs, and milestones, just like a long trip. It's a tool that makes abstract or challenging ideas easier to grasp. There are several synonyms for analogy. Words like comparison, similarity, and parallel carry a similar meaning. For instance, the teacher drew a parallel between the growth of a plant and a child's education. On the flip side, antonyms of analogy include words like difference, contrast, and dissimilarity, which emphasize the lack of similarity. A sentence with an antonym might be, the stark difference between their viewpoints made compromise difficult. You can find analogy in everyday conversations and writing, especially when someone is trying to make a point clear. In teaching, we might hear, think of the Earth's atmosphere as a blanket that keeps the planet warm. This analogy helps students understand the greenhouse effect. In casual discussions, you might say, her explanation was like trying to solve a puzzle without all the pieces. That's a perfect analogy for how confusing it was. Let's use analogy in a few sentences to see how it works. He used an analogy to explain how the brain functions, comparing it to a supercomputer. The coach gave an analogy about teamwork being like a chain. Every link needs to be strong. The writer's clever analogy made the concept of time travel easy to visualize. To wrap things up, analogy is a powerful noun that helps clarify complex ideas by comparing them to familiar ones. Synonyms like comparison and parallel show its versatility, while antonyms like difference and contrast highlight the opposite. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And here's your challenge for today. Create your own sentence using analogy and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read them.
See you next time.